Tricolors. Tri means three. Okay, yeah. Tricolors. Tricolors. It has three colors. It has three colors. Okay, yeah. So each with the significant. Okay, ma. So on top, first one is the already we know our national flag is has three colors. On top, top line on top. So which color? That is saffron. Okay, yeah. On top, saffron signifies courage and sacrifice. Saffron signifies courage and sacrifice. Okay, yeah. Courage and sacrifice. And then in middle, which color is in the middle of our national flag? White. Okay, yeah. White. Okay. White signifies peace and purity. Okay, white signifies peace and purity. And then at bottom, in which color in the bottom? At bottom, green. Green signifies prosperity. Prosperity and life. Prosperity and life. Okay, yeah. So the three colors signifies these things. Okay, yeah. So saffron signifies courage and sacrifice. And then in middle, white signifies peace and purity. And then green signifies prosperity and life. Okay. In the middle of the white band is a navy blue wheel. Okay. In the middle of the white band is a navy blue wheel is present. Okay. Yeah. Navy blue wheel is also known as Ashoka Chakra. So it's also known as Ashoka Chakra. That Ashoka Chakra, it has 24 spokes. The Ashoka Chakra is 24 spokes. Na? So that is spoke. Okay. 24 spokes. Okay. So the Ashoka Chakra is also known as the wheel of law. So this is the wheel of law. So this is the national flag. Our national flag is also known as Tiranga, which means tricolor. It has three colors, each with a significance. First one on top, saffron signifies sacrifice and courage. And then in middle, white signifies peace and purity. And then at bottom, green signifies prosperity and life. Okay, yeah. And then in the center of the white band is a navy blue wheel, is known as Ashoka Chakra. So the wheel is known as, the blue wheel is known as Ashoka Chakra. It has 24 spokes. The Ashoka Chakra has 24 spokes. The so that is 24. Okay, yeah. And then that Ashoka Chakra is also known as the wheel of law. Ashoka Chakra is also known as wheel of law. Okay, wheel of law. And then next we learn national song. national. Okay, so which is the national song of our country? Vande Mataram. Okay, the national song Vande Mataram is our national song of our country. Okay, so in this song, okay, national song Vande Mataram was written by Bankim Chandra Chatterjee. Bankim Chandra Chatterjee. Okay, national song Bankim Chandra Chatterjee. Okay ma, so our national song is the Vande Mataram was written by Bankim Chandra Chatterjee. Okay, and then in this song he praises the natural beauty and the culture of our motherland. Okay, so இந்த songல என்னன்னா நம்மளோட countryயோட natural beautyயும் and then culture of our motherland பத்தியும் சொல்லியிருக்கிறாரு. He praises the natural beauty and the culture of our motherland. So this is the national song. So Vande Mataram is our national song, and then next one is the national anthem. Okay, next one is the national anthem. Okay, so Jana Gana Mana is our Jana Gana Mana is the national anthem. Okay ma, so which is the national anthem? So Jana Gana Mana was written by Rabindranath Tagore. Okay, who was written Jana Gana Mana? Rabindranath Tagore. Was written by Rabindranath Tagore. Rabindranath Tagore. We proudly sing this anthem on Republic Day and Independence Day. Okay, yeah. So Jana Gana Mana, we proudly sing this anthem on Republic Day. On national festival time we sing this anthem, and then we also sing all important occasions at school, and then and during other significant events also. So that's national anthem, and then next we learn national emblem. Next we learn national emblem, and then our national emblem includes the sculpture of an 4 Asiatic lions standing back to back on a circular base. Okay, நம்மளோட emblem எப்படி இருக்கும்? 4 Asiatic lions standing back to back on a circular base. கீழ ஒரு circular base இருக்கும், அதில் வந்து 4 lions வந்து back to back நிற்கிற மாதிரி இருக்கும். So the sculpture of an elephant, horse, bull and a lion on a circular base. Okay, yeah. So the circular base la என்னலாம் இருக்கும், இதோட sculptures லாம் இருக்குன்னா, sculptureனா statue செல்ல மாதிரி. Okay, yeah. So elephant இருக்கும் and a bull, horse and lion இருக்குது. Okay, yeah. And then wheel is each sculptures are separated by a wheel. Okay, each sculptures are separated by அந்த கீழ அந்த இருக்கக்கூடிய சர்க்குலர் பேஸில் இருக்கக்கூடிய each and every sculptures are separated by a wheel. வீல்லேருந்து தனித்தனியாக இருக்குது. And then our motto is what? Satyameva Jayate. Our motto was Satyameva Jayate. Our national emblem includes the sculpture of 4 Asiatic lions standing back to back on a circular base. Okay, yeah. So the sculpture of an elephant horse elephant, a horse, a bull and a lion. And a lion on a circular base. On a circular base. Okay, yeah. Our motto was Satyameva Jayate. Okay, our motto was Satyameva Jayate was written below the emblem. Okay, yeah. So next we learn the national. So first we learn national flag, national song, national anthem and then national emblem. Next we learn national bird. Okay, so peacock is the national bird of our country. Okay, and the peacock is the national bird of India because it was found in all corners of the country. Okay, yeah. Peacock is the national bird of India because it is found in all corners of the country. The peacock, the symbol of peacock is grace and beauty. Peacock is the national bird of our country. Because it is found in all corners of the country. All corners of the country. The peacock, the symbol of peacock is grace and beauty. Grace and beauty. And then next we learn national animal. So we know very well which is our national animal. Yes, tiger is the national animal of our country. Okay, tiger is the national animal of our country. It was declared the national animal after the project Tiger started in 1973. Okay, so the symbolisms of tiger is power and strength. Okay, tiger nale power. Okay, so the tiger symbolizes power and strength. Tiger is the national animal of our country. National animal of our country. It was declared national animal, declared as a national animal. Okay, it was declared as a national animal after the project Tiger started in 1973. Tiger is power and strength. Okay, so the tiger symbolizes the power and strength. And then next we learn national flower. Which is our national flower? Yes, lotus is our national flower. Okay ma, so lotus is our national flower. So this plant, though the plant grows in a marshy land, it's okay, the flower is grow in a marshy land. அது வந்து எங்க இருக்கோ தண்ணிக்குள்ள இருந்து தான் வளரும். So ஈரப்பதமான இடத்துல தான் இருக்கும். So grow in a marshy land is grow with a long stalk. Okay, a long stalk with the lotus at its tip. கீழ தண்ணிக்குள்ள அதோட ரூட் எல்லாம் கீழ தான் இருக்கும். So அது என்னச்சு, அதோட ஸ்டாக் வந்து ரொம்ப நீளமா இருக்கும். கீழ அந்த தண்ணி எல்லாம் தாண்டி மேலே வந்து அந்த ஃப்ளவர் வந்து அதோட டிப்பில் தான் அந்த ஃப்ளவர் இருக்கும். ஸோ இது வந்து என்ன சொல்லுதுன்னா, ஸோ இட்ஸ் தட் லோட்டஸ் சிம்பாலிசஸ் த பியூரிட்டி அண்ட் த அச்சீவ்மெண்ட். எப்படினாலும் சாதிப்போம், தண்ணிக்குள்ளே இருந்து மேலே வந்து அந்த ஃப்ளவர் வந்து அழகாக பூக்குது. ஸோ தட் இஸ் சிம்பாலிசஸ் த பியூரிட்டி அண்ட் அச்சீவ்மெண்ட். ஓகேயா? Lotus is our national flower. Its symbol is its symbol is as purity and achievement. Okay, so the lotus symbolizes purity and achievement. Purity and achievement. And then next we learn national fruit. So which is our national fruit? Mango is the national fruit of our country because that plant was first discovered in India. So mango is the national fruit. Because the plant was first discovered in India. Discovered in our country. And then next one is a national tree. Okay, so banyan is our national tree. Okay, yeah, banyan is our national tree, which also known as kalpavriksha. So which means wish fulfilling tree. Okay, yeah. So இது வந்து நிறைய டெம்பிள் எல்லாம் வச்சிருப்பாங்க. So kalpavriksha இதுனா நம்ம நினைச்சது நடக்கும். So wish fulfilling tree, which means wish fulfilling tree. Banyan is our national tree. It also known as kalpavriksha. Which means wish fulfilling tree. Okay, wish fulfilling tree. So this is the banyan tree is our national tree, is also known as kalpavriksha, which means wish fulfilling tree. And then next one is the national currency. Okay, yeah. So yeah, each country has a own currency. Okay ma, and then that India's currency is called as a rupiah. Okay, நம்ம நாட்டோட currency என்ன சொல்றோம், rupees னு சொல்றோம். So that is also known as a rupiah. Okay, yeah. And then the symbol of rupiah. So this is the symbol of national currency. So our national currency is also known as is called as rupiah. Rupiah. Okay, yeah. That the symbol of rupiah. So this is the rupiah symbol. So this is the rupiah symbol. This symbol was designed by Uday Kumar Ramalingam. Okay, yeah. So the symbol designed பண்ணது யாருன்னா Uday Kumar Dharmalingam. Okay, so this symbol was that rupiah symbol was designed by Uday Kumar Dharmalingam. Okay ma. And then next one, another one, that last one, national river. Which is our national river? Anybody know? So Ganga is the national river. Okay, it is the longest river in India. So it's one of the longest river in our country. It flowing through mountains, valleys and plains. Okay, yeah. So it is started from Gangotri in the Himalayas. So the Ganga is started in the Gangotri from Himalaya. Himalaya la Gangotri in the place in this. So the Ganga is river is started. It is also considered as a scarred river by the Indians. Okay, yeah. நம்மளுடைய துயர் போக்க வந்த river நதி அப்படினு சொல்றாங்க இத. So it is considered as a Scared river by the Indians. Okay, yeah. So it's simple that Ganga river is symbol is the purity. Okay, so this is the national symbols of our country. First we learn that national flag. Our national flag has tricolors. So on top saffron signifies courage and sacrifice. In middle white signifies peace and truth. Okay, white signifies peace and truth, and then at bottom green signifies prosperity and life. Okay, yeah. So and then in the middle of the white band a blue wheel is there. So the wheel is also known as the Ashoka Chakra. It has 24 spokes. How many spokes in the Ashoka Chakras? That is 24 spokes. And then each 24 spokes, and then the Ashoka Chakra is also known as wheel of law. ஓகே, அது என்ன சொல்கிறோம், வீல் ஆஃப் லா அப்படின்னு சொல்கிறோம். அப்புறம் என்ன பார்த்தோம், நேஷ்னல் சாங் வந்தே மாதரம் இஸ் அ நேஷ்னல் சாங் வாஸ் ரிட்டன் பை பங்கிம் சந்திரா சட்டர்ஜி. அவர் அதில் என்ன சொல்லியிருக்கிறேன்னா, ஸோ ஹீ ப்ரைசஸ் இன் தி சாங் ஹீ ப்ரைசஸ் தட் நேச்சுரல் பியூட்டி அண்ட் கல்ச்சர் ஆஃப் அவர் மதர்லேண்ட், நம்மளோட மதர்லேண்டோட கல்ச்சரை பற்றி சொல்லியிருக்காங்க. அண்ட் த நேஷ்னல் ஆந்தம் ஜனகணமன இஸ் அ நேஷ்னல் ஆந்தம் வாஸ் ரிட்டன் பை ரவீந்திரநாத் தாகூர். Okay, and then next national bird, peacock is our national bird. The peacock symbolizes in the grace and beauty, and then grace and beauty. Next national animal, tiger is a national animal. So the tiger national animal declare பண்ணதுலேருந்து அதை வந்து அதை வந்து யாரை கில் பண்ணக்கூடாது அந்த மாதிரி எல்லாம் ஸ்டாப் பண்ணி வச்சுருக்காங்க. ஸோ த ப்ராஜெக்ட் டைகர் ஸ்டார்டட் இன் 1973. அண்ட் தென் த சிம்பலைசஸ், த டைகர் சிம்பலைசஸ் பவர் அண்ட் ஸ்ட்ரென்த். And next one is the national flower. Lotus is a national flower because the flower was though the plant was grows in marshy land, it's a long stalk with the lotus at its tip. கீழே தண்ணிக்குள்ளே வந்து வளர்ந்து மேலே வந்து அதோட ஃப்ளவர் வந்து நிற்கும். ஸோ இது எது that lotus is symbol is that purity and achievement. எவ்வளோ தான் சகதிக்குள்ளேருந்து வந்தாலும் அது வந்து வெளியே வந்து ஒரு பியூட்டியாக இருக்குது. ஸோ இட்ஸ் சிம்பலைசஸ் தட் பியூரிட்டி அண்ட் அச்சீவ்மெண்ட், எப்படியும் நம்ம அச்சீவ் பண்ணலாங்கிறது. ஸோ அண்ட் தென் நேஷ்னல் ஃப்ரூட், மேங்கோ இஸ் த நேஷ்னல் ஃப்ரூட் பிகாஸ் தட் பிளான்ட் வாஸ் ஃபர்ஸ்ட் டிஸ்கவர்ட் இன் இந்தியா. அண்ட் தென் நேஷ்னல் ட்ரீ, banyan is our national tree. It's also known as kalpavriksha. Kalpavriksha means, which means wish fulfilling tree. And then national currency, rupiah is the national currency. So that symbol of rupiah was designed by Uday Kumar Dharmalingam. And then national river, that final last one, national river. Ganga is the national river of India. So it is the longest river in the India. It's flowing through mountains, valleys and plains. Okay, it's also known as the scared river by the Indians. Its symbol is the purity. Okay, I hope all of you understand this class very well, ma. So it's a very very interesting one. Okay, yeah. So very that our country, okay, related about our country. So all of you learn very well and then see this video carefully. Okay, yeah. So thank you students.